Unmasking the Who, Mastering Question Words in English. Hello, language learners. Today, we're focusing on a critical part of English conversation, question words. More specifically, we'll be honing in on the word who. But we're not just learning about it. We're going to practice with some fun and interactive reading comprehension exercises. So, get your thinking caps on and let's get started. Who is a powerful word in English. It helps us identify people and their roles in a story, conversation, or event. When you ask a question starting with who, you're looking to find out about a person. For example, who is your best friend? Or, who cooked this delicious meal? Remember, the answer will always be a person or group of people. Now, it's time to put your knowledge to the test with some reading comprehension exercises. Exercise 1, The Surprise Party. Here's a short passage. It was Amy's birthday. She came home from work, tired and a bit grumpy. However, her mood quickly changed when she opened the door. All her friends were there, in her living room, shouting, "Surprise!" Now, answer the following questions. 1. Who was surprised? 2. Who planned the surprise? Exercise 2, The Missing Lunchbox. Let's read another passage. James realized his lunchbox was missing when it was lunchtime at school. He searched everywhere but couldn't find it. Finally, his friend, Lisa, admitted that she had taken it by mistake, thinking it was hers. And here are your questions. 1. Who lost his lunchbox? 2. Who took the lunchbox by mistake? I hope you've noticed how the question word, who, helped us extract crucial information about the characters involved in these stories. So remember, when you use the question word, who, you're inquiring about a person or persons. This word is your key to unlocking details about characters when you're reading or listening to English. Here's a tip. When practicing, try to come up with your own questions about the text using who. For example, in the story, The Missing Lunchbox, you could ask, who found out that the lunchbox was missing? It's a great way to deepen your understanding and improve your English skills. That's a wrap for today's lesson on the question word, who. I hope you found these reading comprehension exercises helpful. Keep practicing and soon, you'll be asking questions and understanding responses like a pro. Remember, the key to mastering any language is consistent practice and exposure. Until next time, happy learning!